Okay guys, we're gonna do the Gingerbread Man. This might be one of my favorite, look at my hair. This might be one of the favorite little songs. You guys ready? We've done this one and you've heard about it, right? All right, here we go. One day a woman, Gingerbread Man. Here we go. One day a woman was making gingerbread and she thought to herself, I'll make a gingerbread man. Cinnamon candies to give it some spice, and raisins for his mouth and eyes. She put him on a baking tray, and the gingerbread man was on his way. Soon she heard a knock on the oven door. She opened it up and he jumped to the floor. Goodness gracious, said the woman, and she tried to catch the gingerbread man. The quick little cookie found his way out. On the way through the garden, he started to shout, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. The old woman's husband tried to catch him, it's true. Down the garden path he flew. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. On the dusty trail he met a cow who mooed. Stop, little man, I want to gobble you. The gingerbread man just laughed and sang as he started down the road again. What'd he say? Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. While everybody was chasing after, the gingerbread man was full of laughter. Look at him laughing. As he was running, he met up with the dog, and he ran right past and sang his song. What'd he say? I'm faster than the woman, faster than the man. I'm faster than the cow. Catch me if you can. What'd he say again? Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man ran down the road. This time he met a slimy old toad. The toad was hungry and the cookie looked good, but the gingerbread man ran as fast as he could. I'm faster than the woman, the man and the cow. I'm faster than the dog, try and catch me now. What'd he say? Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. The toad tried to grab the gingerbread man, but he just slipped away again. So many people are chasing me. I'm the leader, as you can see. The fox was lying on a path nearby. He smells good, the fox said, real sly. The fox jumped up and joined the clan, and they all chased after the gingerbread man. Suddenly the gingerbread man stopped at the riverside. Look at that. He couldn't cross, the river was too wide. He couldn't swim because he would melt. So the fox came over and offered his help. Jump on my back, I'll take you across. So the gingerbread man listened to the boss. Then the fox said, sit on my nose, and he disappeared. Where did he go? The fox knows. Where did he go? The fox knows. Where did he go? Oh boy, what just happened there? Where did he go? He said, sit on my nose. Yeah, what happened? I think the fox might have eaten him, huh? He went like that, and the fox, gingerbread man pie flipped up in the air. And he went, oh. And that was it. That was it for Mr. Gingerbread Man. Didn't quite make it across the river. Fox is sneaky. Whenever you hear foxes in the story, whenever there's fox, they're always up to something sneaky. You got to watch out for those foxes. All right, you guys ready for some counting? All right, when we count by tens, how about we count on our knees today? Let's see if I can get my knees up here. I can't. So we'll do shoulders. Okay, you ready? Let's do by tens, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How about by fives? Okay, we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Whew! All right, how about, well, it's Friday, so we got to get to 100. So by ones, but we're not going to start with 1. How about we start with, how about 74? Okay, so we get 4 fingers, 74. What's one more than 74? Right, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Good. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Good. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Fabulous. All right, here's what else we're going to do. We're going to look at some colors and some shapes today. Let's see if you remember. So you guys remember these, right? These big ones? Yeah, so it has the color, and it has the color word down at the bottom, okay? So, of course, we've got blue, red. Let's see how fast we can do them. Orange, yellow, green, white, purple, pink, black, brown. Oh, that's not a color, Miss Wall. What are those called? What are these called? Those are called shapes. All right, you ready? Let's do our shapes. We got star, heart, oval. See the V in there? Oval. Diamond. Hex. See that X in there? Hexagon. Pentagon. Square. Rectangle. Okay, like wreck. Your car gets in a car wreck, and then you get a tangle in here, so you say rectangle. Remember, the rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay, circle and triangle. Does the circle have any sides? Nope, no sides. And so that also has no corners, or what's the fancy word for corners? Right, vertices, no vertices. All right, you guys, Miss Wall was in the classroom yesterday and is cleaning some things up. And guess what I found? The substitute just hid him from me, and I found them. Remember these? Yeah, they're a little bit bigger, huh, than those other cards. So let's go. I've got, today I'm just got to put them in with the 50s and the 60s. Okay, let's see how you do. Here we go. 58, 52, whoopsie, 57, 56. You're saying them faster than me. I can't even flip them that fast today. 55, 51, 54, 53, 59, 50, 69, 67, 62, 63, 61, 60, that has a 0, you just say 60, 64, 66. What if I turn it upside down? Aha, fancy 99. But this way it's a 66, 68, I was going to say 95, 65, right? 65. All right, perfect. All right, today in math, you guys are doing a little bit of review. but we're also going to be working on a graph. So I am actually going to draw a graph on my board here, and then we're going to talk about it, okay? All right, you guys see that? Yeah, you can see it. So my graph that I made is about cats and dogs, okay? So at the top, I have my cat. Oh, I should have made whiskers. I forgot the whiskers in this wall. All right, there's my cat. Oh, I forgot whiskers on this one too. Can you tell it's a cat? Well, whatever, it's a cat. You try to draw a cat. It's not always easy. All right, so there's your cat. And so this graph shows how many cats and how many dogs live in a certain street. Okay, maybe it's on your street. Okay, how many people have cats and how many people have dogs? Well, I went out and counted, and how many people had cats? Right, so there's just one counter, like at school we use counters, but there's 1, 2, 3 houses had cats in them. So that's 3 cats, and how many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs. So that's a graph. Remember we talked about graphs yesterday, that graphs just help us organize that information. So let's say you went out and you asked your neighbors, do you have a cat or dog? And you kind of kept track. You could come back and you could put the information into a graph, and then you could tell real quickly with your eyes, and your brain can tell really quickly about the information because it's all organized into a graph. Okay? And then down here you just count up the number. Well, we said 3 cats, so we write the number 3. And then how many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 dogs. Okay, and I got a bonus question for you guys. What do we have more of? Are there more cats or more dogs? Right, there's more dogs. And here's an even bigger bonus question. Extra credit. You ready? How many more dogs are there than cats? That's kind of hard. How many more dogs are there than cats? It's not 5. That's how many dogs there are. How many more dogs are there? So remember how we used to match them up? We'd match them up like this, match, 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 and look at, how many more dogs are there? Look at, there's 2 doggies here with no match. So we say that there are 2 more dogs than cats. Or if we talk about the cats, we could say there's 2 less cats than dogs. Okay, so that's trickier, that's harder. You could practice that with mom and dad, okay? All right, another thing that's going to be on your math homework today is an addition problem, which is kind of switched around, okay? Remember we talked about that a few days ago too. Let's say we had the number 3 here. We could say that 3 equals 2 plus 1, right? So you have 2 balls, and then you have 1 ball. So 1, 2, 3 all together, that's our 3, equals or is the same as 2 plus 1, okay? But you're used to seeing it like this, and I know that you are. You're used to seeing it like this. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And it's the same thing. It's your 2 little balls plus 1 other ball, okay? And it equals 3. That would be my picture to go with my math sentence. But this we can switch that around, and it means the same thing. Remember that equal sign there just means the same as. So 3 is the same as saying 2 plus 1, right? You can do this on your fingers. 2 plus 1 is 3. Or 2 plus 1, that's over here, 2 plus 1 is the same as, which is your equal sign, same as 3. 2 plus 1 is the same as 3. Or 3 is the same as 2 plus 1. Okay? So don't let that confuse you when they put the whole number here and then the equal sign right away. Okay? So it can be a little bit confusing. All right, and there's one more thing I want you guys to look at today. We're just going to review one more thing. Remember we talked about length when we measure the length of things, and I brought out some spoons. And I don't know, these aren't the spoons that I had before. These are not even spoons, are they? This is like a spatula, kind of. And this is a spatula, yeah. And this is do you guys know what this is? Yeah, it's a baster. Put extra juices on your chicken when it's cooking, or turkey. All right, so take a look at these. Okay, remember it's very important that when we measure things that we line them up exactly. We couldn't measure these if the spoon was over here. So we have to make sure the end of the spoon, they're kind of the same. Now if you take a look, what could we say about this spatulas here? What could we say? Yeah, they're about the same length, aren't they? They're just about the same. Yeah, but what if we add in the baster now? Let's add that in. We'll measure that from right there. What do you think about the baster? Yeah, the baster here is shorter, isn't it? See where it ends? Yeah, it's shorter than the other two. So the other two are then, what's that word? Right, longer, right? So we have shorter, the baster is shorter, and the spatulas are longer. We're making sure we start them at the same starting point. And then the two of these together, okay, we could say that they are the same length. The same length, pretty close. It might be a millimeter or two off, okay? But they're like the same length, okay? All right? Okay, and that's it for your math today. All right, so remember to go do a couple acts of kindness. Do some really nice things, maybe for your sister or your brother, maybe for your mom, grandma, okay? Call somebody, text somebody, FaceTime somebody and say hi. They would love that. Okay, Kindness Day, it's Friday, so have a great weekend. We actually have 3 days off, so we'll see you on Tuesday, all right? We're celebrating Memorial Day this weekend, all right? We might talk about a little bit more about that on Tuesday, okay? All right, you guys enjoy yourselves. I might see you at school today, passing out a few more iPads. If you get a phone call and say we have an iPad for you, you need to come to school and pick it up, okay? All right, we're doing that up until I think it's 11 o'clock. All right, I'll send your parents, I'll send you guys a note in the morning. Okay, it's 8:30 to 11:30, I believe. Yes, I think I'm right. Okay, you guys take care. Bye. Over.